In this video, I'm going to teach you a little bit more about arcs and chords, and you might get some problems that are a little bit more challenging. So I want to make sure I review those with you. So if we have a problem like this that says, what is the value of x? And we have a diagram like this, and we could see some arcs and chords here. And similarly, we have another problem like this. So we'll start with this one. So what we need to remember is two chords in a circle are congruent if their corresponding arcs are congruent. So here we have two chords, AD and BC, and their chord length is x plus 12, and this chord length is 3x. Okay, we need to find the value of x. So we can see from this diagram that their corresponding arcs are congruent. We could see from the red line. That means this arc measure is the same as this arc measure. Okay, so the degrees are the same for those two arcs. So that means chord AD, this chord, is equal to chord BC. Okay, so now AD chord length is equal to x plus 12. And so that's also going to equal to chord length BC, which equals 3x. So now we could just solve this, okay? So when we move this x over, it'll become negative, and we have 3x minus x, so we're left with 2x equals 12. So to isolate x, we divide both sides by 2, and we get x equals 6. So that's what x equals. So now on this side, we have the same steps. The two chords in a circle are congruent if their corresponding arcs are congruent. So we can see from the diagram that their corresponding arcs are congruent. See the red line, okay? So that means that chord AB equals to chord CD. And we know chord CD is 12 and chord AB is x minus 3. That's their length. So let's just plug that in. X minus 3 equals 12. And now we just solve for x. So x equals 15. And that's all there is to it. It's not very complicated. If you don't get that right away, you could just rewatch the video. As well, take a look at the description. There's a link to my ebook. In the ebook, you could download it. You'll find a link to this very video, and you can follow along in the ebook as you watch the video. As well, in the description, you'll find links to other videos of mine that I've done that are similar. You could check those out if you need extra help. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for listening.